SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Serve Robotics stock sitting at $10.72, 4.6% down for Wednesday's performance. And the way that I'm approaching this market is I simply still am looking for a buy. Really still looking for that buy. And the way that I would move with it is I want to see a double break. You know, I want to see the price give me this, and only then I'll be fine to go. Now, there are also like the opposite idea of this one here is just waiting. You know, you're just waiting. But honestly speaking, bro, like unless the price gives me like the double break, then I'm not gonna buy neither. So I'm gonna wait, of course. I'm gonna be here. I'll keep you updated. All I'm using is something that I refined over 4 years and 26,000 videos later, you know. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.